Hi, my name is Andrea Prisca, and this is my fetal pig dissection. So the first on my list is the gallbladder. So that is this right here. That looks like a little green pea. That's the gallbladder. Then we have the kidneys, which one of the kidneys is back here. And connected to the kidney is the ureter, which is right here. It's kind of covered in some lining, but you can see it connects the kidney to the bladder. Then we have the large intestine, which is right here. Then we have the larynx, which is this box up here, and I actually accidentally cut mine, but you can see the vocal folds a little bit in there. And then we got the heart. So we have the left atrium right here. Then we have the left ventricle. We have the right ventricle and the right atrium. We have the left lung with its two lobes, superior and inferior. We have the right lung with three lobes, which is kind of tucked under, actually. We've also have, let's see, left ventricle, we did that. Okay, we've got the liver, which is this whole section up here. We have the pancreas, which is going to be behind the stomach, underneath the spleen, and you can kind of see it here. It kind of looks like cauliflower back here. That's the pancreas. We did the right atrium, the right lung, right ventricle. Okay, this is a small intestine. All this area here that connects to the stomach. And we have the stomach, which is this whole organ right here. Connected right next to the stomach is going to be the spleen. So this right here is the spleen. We have the tongue up here that's just hanging out. We've got the trachea with its, and you can clearly see the hyaline cartilage. The C is made out of the hyaline cartilage. So this is a trachea that I actually cut. So you can see it comes right from the larynx and the trachea. And behind the trachea is the esophagus, and that you can see right here. We need the umbilical cord, which is right here, and the umbilical arteries. So here's the umbilical cord. The umbilical arteries are on either side of the fetal pig's bladder. So we got one umbilical artery here, and we have the other umbilical artery here, and this is a bladder. And then we need the ureter. So from the kidney, which is all the way in the back, we have the ureter, which connects the kidneys to the bladder right here. All right, and that is it for my fetal pig dissection. Thank you.